this repeated all the time, because you're just going to get knocked down. YouTube provides some means for us to decide that we're not interested in spam when that's what you're doing. And so a lot of you from other countries, that's all you're doing is you're spamming us. So, you know, and we don't want to see that. I don't know. So the truth is, I'm not interested in foreign content any more than they're interested in watching what I do on the internet. I'm not interested in watching foreign content. I prefer watching American content. Why would I want to watch foreign people when I don't understand what they're saying? I'm just not interested. But somebody decided to send them note cards and pay them, so they think that's job creation. It's not. That's not a real job, because when they run out of money, well, let's put it this way: when the content creators and the networks run out of money, these guys are not going to get paid. And right now they're just bothering the rest of us. We can't even use our tools on YouTube that they give us related to email. So if I want to put an email address on my YouTube channel, which I have, I don't want some idiot from a foreign country contacting me and consistently telling me, which this is what they've done, consistently telling me that my channel's never going to amount to anything without them because I need to hire them. No, I don't. I'm not hiring you. It's not a real job. You're spam. That's what you are, is spam. Because the networks have been abusing the system and hiring people from outside of the country. This is what the FBI calls the foreign troll farms. Because Disney, companies like Disney have been utilizing this, maybe even Comcast, I'm not sure. But the networks through YouTube have been doing the same thing. I'm tired of it. You know, so when the rest of us can't make money, you're not going to make any money. We're not interested in you. We don't want you coming to the United States. We're not interested in you. I'm not. And I know a lot of other Americans are not interested in you either. It's called interest-based. And so now the thing with that, what it means is that if someone just decided to put a whole bunch of foreign content on American TV without the English language, nobody's going to watch it. You can put a bunch of foreign content on cable TV and nobody is going to watch it. I for a short while, I believe someone tried to put up the Chinese stock market with a Chinese woman on one of the cable channels. That channel didn't last very long. It didn't last very long because nobody was interested in watching it. Okay, let's look at this other one. I don't remember if I made a video about this one or not, but let's take a look at it anyway. So the word salad, so the English language homophone wordplay is meditate. I think I uploaded a video about this, which is medit, like medit. I met it face to face. I didn't know what it was, but it was very big. It was very mysterious. I met it head on. It was really intense, just standing there looking at it straight in my eyes. It was a demon. It was possessed, but I met it face to face. So anyway, we have 8. In Tate, meditate, meditation, and then Sharon Tate and Charles Manson. So I've talked about this one before in the past on this channel, and on my other channel that I no longer have, I've talked about stuff like this. Now I have a lot of people telling me that this isn't going to work. You're going down the rabbit hole. It's not going to work. It's like, well, you guys are okay. And now I get people who are mad at me, and then they tell me that they'll tell me that I shouldn't be going down a rabbit hole. And then I've done the same thing. I've stopped telling people what they can't do because I think you just do whatever you want